It is 8:15 in the evening, 82 degrees. My sky has looked like this all day. Just heard some thunder. It was pretty loud. That's looking towards Big Bear. That's looking towards Lake Arrowhead. Oh, I probably shouldn't even be out here. It's raining. We're getting some rain, but that means it's bringing the crap down on me. Oh, that's really weird looking. That's looking towards LA. San Diego. Whoa, did I get that? I didn't get that. Just lightning over there. This is a real storm, huh? But we don't get thunder and lightning. So, it's weird. That's it. Have a nice evening.